People told me that it wasn't possible, that Amazon was too saturated, too competitive, and that regular people couldn't succeed anymore. But I ignored that advice, and with the right product and the right systems, I ended up building multiple successful Amazon brands from scratch. And in the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you why the people who doubted were wrong, and how you can use the same system to start your own Amazon business this year, even if you've never sold online before. My name is Luke Basha, and a few years ago, I wasn't an entrepreneur. I wasn't even in a good place in life. I was sleeping on my best friend's couch, broke, making $13 an hour working a warehouse job. Fast forward to today, my Amazon brands have generated millions in revenue, I've traveled the world, and I now mentor hundreds of students doing the same. I don't say that to brag, I say that because I started with nothing. No business degree, no funding, no experience. And if I can do it, so can you. Now here's the truth. Most people think that Amazon FBA is about selling random products and hoping for the best. That's why they fail. The real opportunity is following a system to find the right products, launching them the right way, and scaling them into a real brand. And that system is what I'm about to share with you. These are the exact steps that I used personally and that my students are using right now to build profitable Amazon businesses this year. Now, if you're already thinking that this is what you've been looking for, there's a button down below for you to book a free clarity call with my team. But before you do that, let me show you the high-level steps that make this system work. Like it worked for Dave, who started his journey with no experience and is now making $1,000 a day profitably on Amazon. Or Ozzy, who started his e-commerce journey 12 months ago and is now making $130,000 a month across platforms and was able to leave his corporate job. These aren't big companies. They're regular people who started exactly where you are today by booking a free strategy call with my team. So what does this system look like? At a high level, it comes down to 3 steps. Number 1, finding the right product using my proven product criteria. Number 2, differentiate and stand out to add value into the market. And number 3, launch with impact using PPC ads and a structured launch plan. That's the framework. And if it feels simple, that's because it is, when you have the right blueprint to follow. But here's what makes this different than every other Amazon program out there. Most people will sell you a course and leave you to figure out the hard stuff on your own. That's why so many beginners quit, because they're guessing, they're overwhelmed, and they don't have real support. What I've built inside of the AMZ Masterclass isn't just a course. It's a complete ecosystem of services and support that gives you access to the same tools and teams that I use to run my own Amazon businesses. You get access to my private freight forwarding company, where on average students save 30 to 50% on shipping, and I recently had a student who saved $6,000 on shipping by using the AMZ Masterclass Freight Forwarder. A product selection service where I'll handpick a product for you that meets the exact criteria that I personally use. My own copywriters and designers who create high converting product listings for me and my students. The most in-depth PPC ad training out there, direct access to me to mentor you along your entire journey, a one-on-one call with me, and so much more. This isn't about just handing you videos and saying good luck. It's about giving you the infrastructure to succeed. If you want us to help you apply this system to your situation, click below and book your free clarity call. On this call, my team will go over your goals, see if Amazon FBA is the right fit for you, and build a personalized roadmap so you can move forward with confidence. And to make it even better, when you actually show up to the call, you'll get my private product criteria guide as a thank you. This is the exact checklist that me and my students use to find successful products to sell on Amazon. It's helped complete beginners launch their first successful product, and it's only available if you show up. Now, quick heads up, I only work with a handful of new students every month, so I can give everyone the attention they deserve. So even if you're a little serious, book your spot now. Worst case, you get a free roadmap and clarity whether Amazon is right for you. Best case, This is the exact moment that changes your life, like it did for me when I launched my very first product. So click below, book your call, and I hope to see you in the AMZ Masterclass soon.